distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to join you on this occasion for the launch of the Engineering and Science Complex of the University of Nairobi. At the outset, I wish to thank you, Your Excellency, most sincerely for finding time out of your busy schedule to preside over this event. The launch of this Engineering and Science Complex is the beginning of a transformative set of initiatives build the Big Five agenda that are being spearheaded by the Chancellor of the Nairobi University. These are University of Nairobi Innovation Park, the Kenya Green Jobs Center, the Nairobi School of Artificial Intelligence, the African Leadership Institute, and the Nairobi Advanced Health Research Program. The complex will be the cornerstone of two of the university's Big Five pillars, the Silicon Savanah's Innovation Park and the School of Artificial Intelligence. The Innovation Park, Your Excellency, will seek to consolidate the university's place as a leading incubator and home of entrepreneurship. It will provide students with early-stage exposure to entrepreneurial skills by providing a single place for setting up shop, working and creating networks and linkages between innovators, investors, and technical partners. The School of Artificial Intelligence, on the other hand, will create a platform for partnerships with leading technology players in both the public and private sectors and to deliver top-tier and homemade artificial intelligence solutions. Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity to thank the Chancellor, Professor Patrick, for the work he's doing at the University of Nairobi. He has taken up his role with dedication, ambition, and vision. The Big Five pillars that the Chancellor is spearheading will definitely transform the University of Nairobi into a fit-for-purpose institution for a sustainable and resilient future. The Innovation Park and the School of Artificial Intelligence will enhance our research and prepare our youth for the future of work as engines for a far more sustainable and resilient economy. This transformative agenda encompasses what the Kenya Kwanza administration envisions for tertiary education in Kenya. It is an example that other institutions of higher learning have to emulate as we seek to instill relevance and sustainability in all our higher education institutions. Your Excellency, may I also thank our development partners, including the French government through the French Development Agency, for supporting these noble projects. We look forward to working together to fulfill this shared transformative vision. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I wish to take this opportunity to undertake as a ministry to you that we will work with the University of Nairobi and other tertiary institutions to create an enabling and conducive environment for the rollout of this project and other projects, including the other five pillars. I thank you for your dedicated support and availability to guide and advise as we forge ahead with the revitalization of our institutions and systems. It is now my honor, Your Excellency, to invite you to make your remarks. Thank you and God bless you.